bird dips. Nice foot position. You want to try to keep your pelvis nice and neutral as you come down forward. Also, you can bend your knees slightly, but it has to stay at the same amount of bend. So my knee is very slightly bent. I'm gonna sit my weight back into my heels, and then I'm gonna come down and reach with the opposite hand toward the ground. You don't have to go all the way down, but you can touch if you can. As you're doing it, you wanna make sure that your hips stay nice and level and that your back stays flat. I don't want you to drop your shoulders down and touch the ground by losing all of your nice midline position. So nice and neutral through here. This is your fulcrum point. Sit back, toward the ground, and up.